In this video, we're going to walk through groups in PhotoCircle, what they are, how they work, and how to set them up in your admin console. By the end, you'll know exactly how to structure your workspace so the right people have access to the right content. Groups serve two purposes in PhotoCircle. First, they're like folders for your circles. They help you stay organized as your content library grows. Second, and more importantly, they control which circles your users can see and access by default. Every user and every circle lives inside exactly one group, and your groups are arranged in a hierarchy. There's a root group at the top, and you can create child groups nested underneath it, as many levels deep as you need. Here's the thing to understand about access. A user can see their own group and any groups below it, but not groups above them and not groups on other branches of the hierarchy. So in this example, if a user is placed in the Central group, they can see circles in Central, Chicago, and Omaha, but they can't see anything in the PHR Homes group above them or Northeast and Southeast groups on a separate branch. This is by design. It lets you give different teams or locations access to exactly what they need, nothing more. Groups are managed from the admin console. To get there, navigate to admin.photocircleapp.com, or from PhotoCircle for Web, click the drop-down arrow next to the PhotoCircle logo in the upper left corner, then select Workspace Management. You'll need to be an admin to create or edit groups. Regular users won't see these options. Now let's create some groups. I'll walk through adding 3 new ones so you can see the full process. Click on the group under which you want your new group to be located and click on the plus sign. Give your group a clear name that reflects how your organization is structured, by region, department, team, whatever makes sense for your workspace. You can create subgroups under any existing group, so you can build out as many levels as you need. Once your groups are set up, you'll want to make sure your circles are in the right place. To edit a circles group, locate it in the admin console, click on the relevant row, and click on Edit. Choose the new group from the drop-down and click Save. This is especially useful if you already have existing circles that were created before your group structure was fully built out. Once everything is organized, you can use the filters in PhotoCircle for Web to view circles by group. This is a great way to confirm your setup looks right. One last thing worth mentioning, if you're on an enterprise, advanced, or K-12 core plan, you have access to secondary groups. These let you give a user access to circles in multiple separate parts of your hierarchy. For example, if someone works across 2 different regions, you can add a secondary group to their account so they can have default access to both. You'll find instructions for that in the Editing a User Account article linked in the docs. That's it for groups. For a written version of everything we covered today, check out the Creating and Managing Groups article in the PhotoCircle workspace documentation. If you have questions, reach out to our support team. We're happy to help.